We're open.
Welcome to the 20th anniversary of the Mobile Tech Expo show. We're here in Orlando, Florida, and today we're going to show you a few of the vendors and exhibits that make this show so great. Come on.
Hi, this is Drew with Druz Toolz, and this is our newest product. It's a carbon fiber slide hammer. It's much longer than our original slide hammer, and we've also got the short one now in the carbon fiber. You can see the difference in the length. But the nice thing about the big slide hammer is you can take off this weight here, you can take off this weight here, and there's two other weights, or you can run it with no weight. So you can go from 1 pound to 5.5 pounds on a slide hammer. So whether you're a door dinger or a hail chaser, this could be the only slide hammer you'd ever want to have. Thanks.